Hello friends, I am Arpita. Welcome to your favorite channel, Jharnat Gallery. How are you friend? Hope you are all well. Whenever you want to draw something, search Jharnat Gallery in YouTube and get so many beautiful scenery and subject drawings with easy drawing steps. So, without wasting your time, let's see what we draw today.
What are you drawing today?
Today I am drawing a beautiful drawing of Mata Parvati and Lord Shiva. I take an A4 paper which can you buy from any shop in only 1 rupee. At first I draw the outline. Follow the drawing steps carefully.
Watch the full video. Please don't skip. If you skip the video, I'll be angry with you.
Dinka, don't talk like that.
Okay, Didi. What is Shivratri, Didi?
Mahashivratri is one of the most important festivals of Hindus. Mahashivratri means the great night of Lord Shiva.
Oh, why we celebrate Shivratri?
This is the day when Lord Shiva married Goddess Parvati. It falls on the 13th and 14th day of the month of Falgun in the Hindu calendar.
Why do girls fast in Mahashivratri?
Lord Shiva is considered as an ideal husband, and to get a husband like him, unmarried girls and women worship him on this day by observing fast.
What are the rules of Mahashivratri?
On the day of the fast, one should wake up early in the morning, 2 hours before sunrise, which is also called Brahma Muhurta. After waking up, one should take a bath and wear clean clothes, preferably white. Then a sankalp of observing the full day with dedication and devotion is taken. Do not sleep throughout the night and spend the night contemplating on spirituality. Listen to the stories of Lord Shiva, sing songs, chant mantras and meditate. Visit Shiva temples. In most Shiva temples, a prayer is performed throughout the night. Now the outline is complete. It's time to color it in a different style. I am using sketch pen.
These are so small.
Yes, like you. These are only 15 rupees.
Thank you so much for watching till end. If the video was helpful for you, then please like the video and leave a comment. Please subscribe our channel for more drawing videos and press the bell icon for further notification. See you in another new video. For now, you can follow me on social media. Links are in description below. Thank you. Take care.